Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Royal LePage Signature. I'm standing in my listing at 7291 Gagliano Drive here in the heart of Mississauga. This semi-detached home is 3-bedroom and 3 baths, but it feels more like a detached home. It's very large. You really got to come check it out for yourself. What's unique to this home, besides having 3 bedrooms and a couple of bathrooms upstairs and having walk-in closets, this home features a laundry room on the 2nd level, which I find is fantastic. No longer you have to carry up your dirty clothes up and down the stairs. You have them right here, wash your clothes, and put them right away. Very unique. Welcome to your own fenced-in yard. Whether you're enjoying a nice drink with your friends or soaking in the tub, enjoy the tranquility of your own private oasis. Well, I hope you enjoy the virtual tour. If you want your own private tour or have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can always call me or text me, 416-876-9998, or email me at dcinelli@royallepage.ca. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.